Hi guys, and good morning everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today is Friday guys, going to shopping. Let's go guys.
That's when I got it so awful. I ended up not.
I think they won't look right there.
I didn't eat for 5 weeks. I think I got it because
I'm looking. Green waterfall kayo. No more green man. I found this short gayo. I think get more ba? That is 80 cents. Ah, this one. 80 cents.
Oh, okay.
Ah. Hmm? Ah. Dito dyan no? Alice store. Can play over here kayo. $1, no? And you can play over here. Get something over here. Hi guys! We're not at the house guys from shopping. We bought this guys safeguard from Alice store. Sent to the Philippines. Lunch, cream cheese. This one Oreo. And this one is sent to the Philippines. And this one Band-Aid sent to the Philippines. And this one wash clothes sent to the Philippines. We get two guys. Ah, I found this lot of shirts from Alice store. This one, yeah. Very nice shirt guys. So the regular price niya guys ay $24. And we get only guys 80 cents. So I get 8 pieces of this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I give to my niece. Hi guys, unboxing tayo guys from Alice, Salvation Army. We get this guys. Oh wow. This 49 cents. I'm very good. Very good. Love the color. And this one. These are nice color. I'm just gonna get this one. This one brand new. 49 cents. Small siya eh. Tingnan mo naman small. Dako kayo. I get this girl. Beating salt. I don't know. Chubra. I think fitness ni Angel. I like this color. Yung kid kay $1 na eh. This one $1. This was $1. This one I like this. $1. Cute. Look at it's cheap though. And we spend only $12. Need to wash this. Okay. I'm wearing umbrella. Wearing umbrella, guys. Going to the mailbox. Because it's hot day. Weather is so hot eh. 12 midnight, 12 noon. Very hot, so wear umbrella. For sale this guy. How much? I don't know how much the cost. Didn't see the cost guy. And over there for sale also. Lot of house for sale here. Grabe guy. Very cloudy. Oh, look at the clouds guys. So beautiful. Oh. See the clouds. Look at the clouds guys. So beautiful. Dito agi guys. Tumas kalsada. Kaya may tao. Lot of house for sale here. Not for sale.